Hello and welcome to another Tech Hard Pro video. Now this video will be something that I had left in months after months of not editing it, but I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and edit it now, since I always been delaying it. It's nothing more and nothing less than the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus tablet. I upgraded from the Tab S5e. Why? Because Tab S5e was too damn slow for today usage. Well, not really very slow. It's usable if you do very simple things, but even by looking anime, I look at some animes that I download off the internet, right? And they come with subtitles. I put the subs on, and the subs have some special effects, so they have overlays for the video. The tablet lags out on that processing of that video. So imagine, and even worse, the tablet is even kind of slow on regular usage. By navigating to YouTube, I have to wait for the app to load this part of YouTube or this other app. Um, but the reason is because the tablet is a mid-range. Back in 2019, it was a mid-range chip, and it has eMMC memory, which doesn't even help much. Now, it would be fine to have those mid-range specs because I only use the tablet to watch videos, anime, movies. That's it, just media usage. I did not edit video, I did not do any of that on the tablet. But the thing is that the Tab S5e has a great screen and great speakers. The size is good, everything was good. So why did I decide the Tab S8 Plus? Now originally I wanted to pick up a Tab S7 Plus because was the cheapest one first, the cheapest one that is a flagship, and second, the one that is not the same year or the same time frame as the Tab S5e, because the Tab S6 came out, so it was basically the same thing but flagship version. But why the Tab S8 Plus? It was basically like $40 extra compared to the Tab S7 Plus. Now that part has bitten me back because it does not include an S Pen, as you can see in the unboxing. So I left a bad review about it from the seller, because the seller was trying to tell me that they're only going to reimburse or refund me like $15, which is why the Plus, no, why not the regular? The regular has an LCD screen, and you know that I prioritize screens over anything. I wanted OLED. I had to pick up the Plus. What I did not expect is that the Plus to be actually larger, way larger than I thought. But it's not as portable anymore. I tried to make it fit inside my backpack that I usually use. Now it's not the bigger backpack, the one that could fit a laptop. Now it's a smaller backpack. The tablet 5 fitted right in, no problem. But this tablet, especially if I put a case on it, which I'm going to show you later when I put that case, barely fits. I couldn't even put it in the sleeve. I have to put it just without the sleeve and then close it up forcefully to be able to fit. Now, after the unboxing, I used the tablet for a couple more days, and I finally got the case. As you can see, here's a very nice looking case. Ignore the wallpaper, please ignore the wallpaper. Alright, don't worry about the wallpaper. Worry about the tablet. We're talking about the tablet here. And, oh, so unfocused. But yes, the tablet is very cool. Extremely useful. It got circle to surge, which somehow it doesn't want to work. Oh, because I had notifications open. Well, it has like basically the same features that my phone has. This came out around the time of the S22 series, so it's pretty useful. Like I could go in and go to the interwebs and then throw a couple of Xiaomi fanboys on GSM Arena. Let's see what they have. The case, As you can see here, you know, the case has a transparent back, and I like it because it's grippy, because it's a plastic. You see, it's reflective, so it's a plastic reflective back plate. Then the front, it has the same exact way of putting it up as a tripod. I mean, not a tripod. I mean, like a stand. Then there's the slot for the S Pen. The issue is that the S Pens, unfortunately, now this is the only S Pen I was able to get. Since the tablet didn't come with the S Pen, I could just use this fold S Pen, which I got, the fold S Pen I use it on my C46. But it works well on this, kind of. It's just that it cannot draw. It doesn't draw anything. So I had to pull up a regular S Pen. This is the one from the Note 10, and that one draws just fine, works fine. Even it could like do a little bit detection on the sensor on the back. It can detect it. It just doesn't connect to it, but it detects. It detects that something is being put in there. So the sensors are working, I guess. So yes, the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, very big tablet. Like, it's gigantic. This is the 12.5. I didn't know it would be such a big difference, but there you have it. Want to know something crazy? I added more stickers to the tablet, yet I still haven't edited the video. Will it be today that I edit the video? Let's see, look at the date. Let's look at the date. Today is August 10th. Alright, let's see if I edit the video that day then.